This is the official plane of the EPA.
This is not just another RV-8. This one has legacy, and style, and a bit of verisimilitude. It's a modern homage to a past legend, born in fire, now settled in peace, that you can now have in your own hangar. Let's see if she lives up to that legacy. Real quick before we get started, I just wanted to mention that the HobbyView apparel store is open. Show your support for this channel with HobbyView branded shirts, caps, mugs, and more. Just go to hobbyview.myspreadshop.com. The day was perfect, if slightly breezy. While another war legend worked out the bugs, I prepped Old Crow for flight. No issue getting to the innards with that huge hatch. A quick bump at her starter, and she was up and running.
Okay, we've got the Seagull Models Old Crow RV-8 from Legend Hobby, and the thing's ticking along quite nice. Ooh, let me bring it around here. I should note that I have added, so I got regular ailerons, and then I've got full flapper rods. There we go, look at those flapper rods. So I added some mixing in there.
Of course, I remember this after I started taxiing.
So let's bring it around here, bring it into the wind just a touch. All right, all the controls are doing the thing. Here we go. She's up.
Well before full throttle, too.
Engine's running just a touch rich. Should lean out in the air. Come on, baby. Lean out. There we go. Get some trim in there. It didn't quite lean out. It's a little on the rich side. See if I can get it to.
Hey, who tuned this engine anyways? He's fired.
Whoa, it is just not quite leaning out, but it's flying really good. It's good to know that, even with slightly bulky engine, it's flying really quite nice. Look at this. This is easy on the controls. I think I got the trim settled like I like them. All right, let's try a smoke run, see if the smoker system works. There you go, look at that. Smoke on!
At least that function works good.
Try a roll here. Try a rolling circle. Rolling half circle. Let's try a loop. Nice. Certainly ticked over nicely on the ground. I wonder why I leaned on it, looking up in the air.
The RV-8 was turning out to be a real sweetheart in the air.
Try a stall turn. Yeah. Go, bird.
At no point did I really feel like the model's gonna flake out on me.
This is really just a nice sport plane. I'm instantly really comfortable with it. Try a snap roll. It's interesting. Let's try it in the other direction. There we go. Interesting. I like it better to the right than the left. Well, that was low rate aileron. Let's try high rates. A little better. Interesting. I'm going to take her up, try some slow speed flying. Come back here. Hold some up. Getting some up, up, full up about now. Slight right wing drop, but very mild. That poor engine. That was my fault. I thought I had it tuned in. I'm gonna slow down, bump in a little bit of flaps. That's nice. I added a little touch of down trim, down elevator with the flaps. All right, I was full flaps, flaps up. Don't know if I can do a knife edge with a bulky engine. Let's give it a shot. Stable, but it's falling. Oh, it actually does knife edges really well. The other direction. Yeah, it's a little more horsepower to keep her up. Try some inverted. Oh, it likes inverted, look at that. Just a teeny touch of down trim, down elevator. Is it me, did the engine just? Ooh, yes. I like it a lot. Good low pass. Chop in just a touch of flaps. RV, I think I would have liked this plane a lot. Oh, I still got some smoke. Let's see, bzz, look at that. Just do some sky riding.
The smoke really adds some flair to my flying, to the point I kind of got lost in the majesticness of it all.
Whee! Nope, I'm out of smoke. Tank is not that big.
I need a bigger tank.
All right, I think I like this. Yeah, nice.
I was really having a good time with her.
Might need a little more rudder for the snap rolls. It's a little weak on the snap rolls. It's really nice. Oh, my timer's going off, so all right, landing. Good touch of flaps here.
20 seconds.
Okay, we'll go full flaps. See how that does. A little breezy to keep my speed up, a little bit of throttle in. Oh, yeah. Oh! Either the throttle a little too low or ran out of gas. It is, this is nice. Me likey.
Not satisfied with the engine performance, I decided to tweak the settings a bit. In my excitement, I completely forgot to test the full span ailerons. Engine seemed to sound better on run-up.
All right. So last flight, I totally forgot about the full ailerons. So we're gonna give that a shot. And I tweaked the engine, so hopefully it's leaned out a bit more.
Hopefully indeed.
Okay, just as I get ready to take off, woo, wind picks up. All right, taking off. Need a little bit of left. Gets up quick. It's sounding a little better. There we go. Come on, baby, lean out. It almost wants to. It's better.
Dang it, engine sounded great on the ground.
Smoke on.
I was really having fun with the smoke though.
Oh, look at that. Puff me, baby. Puff Daddy. That's my new nickname for this plane. All right, so this is regular. We're gonna roll it low rates. There's low rates. There's high rates. Not a whole lot of difference. We'll come around here. All right, coming around. Full tick. And super rates. Oh yeah. That definitely knows something different. See if that changes my snap rolls. Yeah, definitely better. I wonder if I can do like a, what do they call this, a blender? Pull up, snap. There we go. Yeah, baby, give me what I need. Ooh. Plus the engine ticking. See what kind of climb I have now with the engine a bit more going up. Got good thrust, it's still kind of climbing. Some rudder. Yeah, that's what I like. It's a good juice. This is cool. Let's try the knife edge again. It's holding it a little better this time. Still sinking a bit, but definitely improvement. Forgot what I'm running for a prop. I think it's a 28. All right, we'll do another smoke pass, then we'll bring her in. This is the official plane of the EPA. Slow roll, barrel roll. That's it, yes. Engine running much better. And we'll bring her in.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Yes, I know. Transmitter, sweet, giving me sweet nothings. Full flaps. I got a good mix of down elevator trim with the flaps. That's really nice. Oh, my fault. Oh, a little bit too much speed. Oh, it's ticking over quite nicely too. So I can hit the cameraman. There we go. Opto kill. Yes, that's the good stuff. Oh, pump still on. Here we have, folks, the Seagull Models RV-8 from Legend Hobby. It's fantastic. I really like it. Well, I should mention that the field conditions were pretty windy, but this old RV-8 didn't seem to mind at all. Now, even with a noticeably out of tune engine, the old Crow flew great. I'll have to admit that this model ticks all kinds of boxes for me. Let's see, it's a sporty scale model. That's the nice size, but not too big, but with a big enough cowl to fully contain a twin cylinder engine. It's got a great smoke system that's really wow the crowds. But most importantly, it's a fantastic handling plane with large control surfaces that I'm certain would make it a 3D-able model. And I was actually using smaller link control horns than what was actually recommended. Now, glad I programmed in the flaperons, as they definitely really spice things up a bit. Now, an interesting thought is, even though they recommend a 35 to 40 cc engine, I think a 30 cc engine would fly just fine, as long as you weren't looking for unlimited vertical.
Hi, thanks for watching. Please take a look at the video description below for special HobbyView sales and discounts. Your purchases help support this channel. Happy modeling.
Puff me, baby. Puff daddy.